Use Amazon to find niches. When you're trying to create your first business or website, one of the most difficult things is trying to find out what niche to enter. If you hit the right niche and market to that niche the right way, you'll be sitting on piles of cash in one day. If, however, you hit the wrong niche where people aren't really willing to open their wallets and buy anything, well, you're going to be wasting a lot of time. While you could technically find a product you could market in just about every market, it will be difficult to find a niche in which you're interested. It may be difficult to find a niche in which you're interested. Most people only think of weight loss, make money, stock market, muscle building, or dating as the only great niches. While these are examples of awesome niches that you can use to make money online, there are plenty of other niches with buyers. The problem is finding out where they are. Luckily for you, we have the perfect solution. Amazon.com. Amazon is a great place for people that are looking to sell physical products, as well as people looking to create their own information products. All you have to do is look at different categories under the book department. Not only will you be able to see different niches you could create a product in, you can also see which products are selling the best in their respective niches. It's also a great place to see the titles of the products that are selling. The name of your product is extremely important when trying to attract attention. If you're trying to promote physical products, you'll get the same thing. You'll find exactly which products are selling the best. Once you get this information, you can then create your own product review site where you can promote Amazon products. As you can see, Amazon.com is a great place to do research.